am so pleased to receive the Chigo electric toothbrush. The pure white packaging looks very beautiful. Open the package. It contains a Chinese and English instructions. Toothbrush head with covers. A toothbrush body. A wireless charging base, and a certificate card. The electric toothbrush has 3 models. Normal model for completely removes plaque. Whitening model, that means 2 minutes whitening model plus 30 seconds to brighten and polish the front teeth. The third is gum care model. It is extremely flexible model for teeth and gums. The body is completely sealed, so I can use it when showering. So convenient and amazing.